Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. In our last lecture we created this front disc, bike wheel front disc. Now we will create spokes for this bike. So let's start. First we will make this section half. So just drag this up to, let's say, cut revolved. Okay, now this is our half section. Now we will create spokes. So select front plane, sketch, normal. Now choose a circle and draw one circle from origin point. Select here for construction. Okay, now assign dimension, let's say 500. Now select a center line and draw one line up to here, up to this point, and up to mid of this point. Now exit. Now again select a line, draw from origin point to this circle, take one more time from origin point to this section, exit. Now assign dimension, keep angle 12 degree, the same as here, keep angle 12 degree. Okay, now okay, now exit from the sketch. Now select this hole, because we want to create a spokes from both the end of these holes. So select this hole, go to feature, reference geometry, choose axis. Yes, we want to create an axis, select OK. Now just drag this axis outside. OK. Now go to sketch, select 3D sketch. Select a line and start from this. Select a line and start from this axis. Select this axis and we want to draw up to this point. Now exit. Now we will assign distance. Choose smart dimension, select this end point and this body. Assign distance 2 mm. Okay. Now select sketch fillet. Choose 1.5 mm. First select line and we want to draw one line. Just define this circle center point. Draw a line from this point to this end. Now exit from the line. Now see, it is created. Now select sketch 1.5 mm and select this corner. Select OK. Now this is defined. select OK. Now exit from the sketch. Now select this axis, sketch, choose circle and draw one circle here up to this circle. OK. Now again exit. Now go to feature, select sweep boss base. Now select path. This circle already selected. Now select this path. Select OK. Now see the spokes going to start creating. Edit sketch. Edit sketch and make this circle dimension bigger because it is not visible for us. Make 3 mm. Or cancel it. Just select this axis, go to feature, select extruded boss and just extrude it up to, let's say 2 mm is very big, 1.5 mm. Select OK. Now see, it is created spokes. So one spokes is already created. Now the same as we have to do for other side. From this axis, select this axis, choose axis, select OK, just drag this axis out. This spokes is touching here, so we have to change something. Edit, just edit this dimension, make 3 mm. Exit. Now this is quite better. Now select 3D axis, choose a line and start from this point to this end. Now exit. Now select smart dimension, select dimension from this end to this end. Keep 6 mm. Later we will change it. Again choose a line. Just find this center of this circle. Okay. Now draw up to this line. Choose sketch fillet. Select this end. Select OK. Now exit from the sketch. Choose this as an axis. Sketch plane. Select a circle and draw one circle up to this circle. OK. Now select extruded or exit from the sketch. Select sweep boss base. Select this as a path. We selected this axis. Okay. Our first axis is diameter is too big, so we will change it some dimension. Make it 2 mm only. Okay. Exit from the sketch. Now that's okay. Now it's almost not touching. Okay. Now the same as here, we have to sweep boss base, sketch. We selected this sketch. Extrude, keep 1.5 mm, 2 mm. Okay. Extrude boss base, make 2 mm. Okay. Now select one end, this end, sketch, select circle and draw a little big circle. Select smart dimension and keep diameter 3.5 mm. Okay. Select extruded boss. Choose 5 mm mid plane, 10 mm, 5 mm both side. Select OK. Now select this face, sketch, now choose center rectangle. Just find center of this circle. This is the circle center. And now we will define smart dimension 2.75 mm, the same as here. 2.75 mm. Okay. Now select offset entities. Select 1 mm. Okay. Now select extruded cut and keep up to 5 mm. We want to cut only up to 5 mm. Select OK. Now see, it is created. The same as we want to create for this. Sketch, draw one circle and keep diameter 3.5 mm and select extruded boss. Select top 10 mm but choose mid plane. Okay. Now select this face, sketch, select center rectangle and draw one center rectangle. Now define dimension 2.75 mm. 2.75 mm. Now select offset entities 1 mm. Okay. Now select extruded cut. And choose only up to 5 mm. We don't want to cut through all. Okay. Now the two spokes rings are created. Now we will make multiple with the help of circular pattern. Select this as an axis. We will select this rod also. And select this rod also. And select this cutout also. Okay, it's going to be like this. Make 9 numbers. Twelve numbers. Okay. Now see, nine number is better. Okay. Now again choose circular sketch, circular pattern. Select this as a axis. Clear. Now this time we will select this. Clear. This rod. And we will select this cutout also and this also. We will select 9 numbers, the same as what we choose for that. Okay. Now see, this is our spokes wheel, one side is ready. Now we will do our last thing. We will drag this all down and we will see our next axis. Now see the magic. Our axis is created. We forget to make this, so again take it. Okay, now again choose circular pattern, choose this as a axis, clear, and select this extruded body. This is the extruded body. Choose circular sketch pattern. Select this axis, 9 equal parts. Select OK. Now again choose circular pattern, choose this as an axis, and select we need to select a body. No, not this. Okay, this is your extrude boss. Select 9 numbers. Okay. Now all these spokes comes out. Now go down, just drag down this. Now see the spokes coming out. So this is our bike wheel spokes or front disc. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Just hide this all axis. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching.